Hi, I'm Gary, and I'm a client of Scott Morreau's. And he's been my real estate agent for a number of years now. I thought about it the other day, and I realized that he has handled 5 purchases and sales of properties for me, and an uncountable number of rental clients for the rental properties that I've owned. So I have a really great history of working with Scott. He's amazingly informed about all the latest twists and turns in the real estate business. He keeps me as a client always informed of what's going on, and each step of the deal, each thing that I need to take care of. Even if he's out of town, I get emails with things to sign. Nothing ever is left up in the air or unfinished or put on hold, and I really appreciate that. And I love the detail of the paperwork that you did. The detailed instructions, detailed breakdown of here's what happens next, here's the next step, here's what we have to do now. This needs to be taken care of. In many cases, things I didn't even know about because it hadn't come up in previous purchases or sales. But with each new deal, there's often a difference. The buyer has different financing situations or that sort of thing. So, it's something that Scott always seemed to have in hand. He always knew how it would work and whether it was, the right kind of deal to be in, the right kind of situation to be in for me. And I really have come to trust him completely as my advisor when it comes to anything to do with real estate. One of the things I really appreciate about Scott's help is that he knows the local market really well. He knows the properties, the kinds of questions to ask if you're looking at a new property, and the kind of buyers and sellers that are the right fit for what I'm looking for. And so I know that I don't have to keep looking over his shoulder all the time to make sure he's making the right decisions, giving me the right information. We really are able to work together remarkably well. And there's no doubt that anytime I have a real estate purchase or sale in mind, I'm going to be going to Scott. He is my guy, my real estate agent. And I got to tell you, it feels really good to know that you have someone that you can turn to, because an opportunity could come up on the spur of the moment, and that's not the time that you want to start looking for someone to represent you. You want to know in advance who to call and who you can depend on and trust to give you the right advice and can take the project, over right at that moment and go with it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Think we got enough?
Yeah.
Okay.